Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you like and subscribe. Today we're going to look at what's in this bag. This bag is from an estate. Ooh, look at that. And it has not been opened since the 90s. These are called Takara, made in China. And they have little tiny clockwork mechanisms. So they're all animated. And these have not been opened since they were purchased in the 90s. We'll have to see if any of them work. Merry Christmas. This one, Green Family. And we have Lost Rabbit. And what else? The Munchkin Bunnies. And last one. Ooh, this one has never been opened. And that's special. Let's just try one of these and see if it works. Try to do this and hold the phone at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Aww, that one did not work. So these little things should be moving. I found that sometimes they'll work the one time and then they don't work at all after that. Let's try the bunnies. Oh, nope. Not working. Oops. Isn't that cute? Let's get some better lighting here. I apologize on my video quality because I'm kind of new at this. So, that's disappointing. How about this one? Please work. Ready? Set. Oh, it's working. It's working. Cool, that one worked. I'm going to set it down and really carefully try to close it. Yep, feels nice and tight, so it should work. I hope. Should work another time. Excuse me. Let's try the Christmas one. Ready, set. Nope. Cute. Let's try something else with this light. There we go. Sorry. I love my cat. Nothing. I imagine she plays with the ball of string. And a creepy looking cat. The Green Family. No, these guys don't work either. This one, Peckin' Chicks. Nope. I used to have a friend that always say, those pecking this and those pecking that. Makes me think of her. Toy workshop. Nothing. Not working. That's really cute. I think that's my favorite one. There's a robot. That's cool. Another dinosaur. Nothing. Well, they're disappointing that they're not working, but they're still really neat to look at. This one will work. This one's not branded, I don't think. No. Distributed by East West District Company. Deerfield, Illinois. Made in China. Okay. So this one, I think we wind it. And then, okay, it's on wheels. Okay. Oops. This is difficult. The head moves, the arms move, and there are wheels. Cute. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this fun. Please subscribe if you do. Bye for now.